Now that we've added our scallions, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing, which is stir to make sure that the oil, vinegar, and the salt and pepper have all mixed together. Then we're going to take half of a lime, and we're going to squeeze this right over the top. Not only is this going to add flavor, but it'll give us a little more volume in our liquid, and the acid from the fruit will act to cook the shrimp just a little bit. All right, once that's incorporated, we're going to take our shrimp and we're going to add and stir. And again, you want to make sure that you cover all of this. So you want to go ahead and scoop up any of your scallions from the bottom and make sure you're covered with liquid as much as possible. And we're going to go ahead and just let that sit and marinate, turning it every once in a while.